Hello everyone, welcome to Ravisree's University. I'm Yuktha. Today we'll be making an Indian flag on different layered cubes. Let's get started. So first of all, let us place white on our top and blue on our front. And we're going to make the two white edges come next to the blue center. So here, as we are holding white on our top and blue in our front, we can easily bring the two white edges next to blue by doing R dash and L. So first let us do an R dash, that is right side anti-clockwise, and then an L, that is left anti-clockwise, this way. And now here we have those two white edges next to the blue center. And once we have that done, we are going to make the orange stripe next. So we will be having orange on our right side, so we can easily get the orange top right here by just doing an U. So by doing the U, you could get the orange block over here. And the last and final tricky part is we have to get the green block over here in the bottom. Let's do that. So first let us move the back side layer so that we can get it in our right side, and then we can shift the block to here. And that is why I'm first doing a B dash so that I can move the back side anti-clockwise like this. So that is why I did a B dash. And now I have the block over there in the right side back over here. So then I can easily bring it here. So now I'm doing an R, and yes, I have it down, so and I can easily bring it here. But I have spoiled this, so I will do a D2 and I'll bring this back. 1 and 2. So I have done a D2 and I have saved the block of green here. And I will bring the orange and white back to its place. And then by doing R dash, I could just bring that down. And then finally, I will do a D so that I can bring the preserved block to its place. And here I have the Indian flag pattern on a 3x3 Rubiks cube. So now let's just do it in one go. After placing white on top and blue in the front, we are doing R dash, L, U, B dash, R, D2, R dash, and finally D. Now I'm going to do the same thing on a 4x4 Rubik's cube, except I'll just be moving the outer layers. And here it's the same position again. I'm holding white on top and blue in my front, and I do the same thing again. R dash, L, U, D dash, R, D2, R dash, Now on a 5x5 Rubik's cube, we're going to make it look even more realistic. So first we're going to swap the centers, and then we're going to do it as we did on a 3x3 Rubik's cube. So first, as usual, we're going to hold in our position, and now So we're going to move the vertical middle layer and the horizontal middle layer once alternatively. So first I'm going to move my vertical middle layer once upward and the horizontal middle layer towards the left. I'm going to do the same procedure. Vertical middle layer up, horizontal middle layer to the left. Keep doing it again and again. Got the center swap. As you cannot see that I'm having blue center in between white. So now I'm going to hold white in my front. So that is the blue center in my front. And then I'm going to bring orange on top here. By moving U, 2 layers of U. And then I'm going to use the formula by using 2 layers. So that is what I'm going to do U. And then I'm going to do B dash R with 2 layers, D2, R dash, and finally D. Wow, it looks amazing, right? Let's do even more awesome on a 6x6 Rubik's Cube. So, except it just looks like a 3x3 one, but that's okay. So first, as usual, our position. And then, we're going to swap the centers by 2 layers now. Just take the vertical middle layer up, horizontal middle layer towards the left. And keep doing this. Have it swapped, and once we have it swapped, just hold that in your front, and then you can use the formula again. So by 2 layers, we're going to do U with 2 layers, and then D dash with 2 layers, R with 2 layers, D2, R dash, and finally D. Wow, this looks like a huge 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now let's do it on a 7x7 Rubik's Cube. The same way we're going to swap the centers. Since we have 7 layers, I'm going to choose the 4th layer vertically and horizontally in order to swap the centers. And here, I have them swapped. And I'm going to hold white in my front, the white face on my front, so with the blue center. And now I'm just going to move 2 layers so that it's going to look good. So 2 layers and 2 layers. So we're going to do B dash and then R, D2, R dash, and now it looks amazing, right? Yeah. Now let's just go ahead with the giant 3x3 Rubik's Cube, that is a 9x9 Rubik's Cube. And here I'm placing it in my front. So since we have 9 layers, I'm going to choose the 5th layer vertically and horizontally. Oh my god, wow. And by the way, I have my 9x9 Rubik's Cube solving video, so you can just check that in the description. I'm just going to do the same procedure. And yes, here I have them. Done. Perfect. And then I'm going to hold the white face with the blue center in my front. And now, since it is a huge one, I'm going to take 3 layers. So with finally wow, that's perfect. So here we have an Indian flag on 9x9 Rubik's Cube, 7x7 Rubik's Cube, 6x6 Rubik's Cube, 5x5 Rubik's Cube, 4x4 Rubik's Cube, and finally the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Don't forget to check the description for more videos. And in advance, happy Independence Day to everyone. Hope you all liked this video. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you all.